With Heavymeta Pintheon, it's very simple to deploy a Three.js site. For this tutorial, we use the first example in the Three.js documentation as our basis. We modify our example slightly from that in the Three.js documentation to load a custom 3D model. Here you can see the model. We will upload this model to our Pintheon node. Since we're uploading and testing locally, we want to ensure the Pintheon gateway is set to 127.0.0.1 port 9998 as shown. Currently, our main.js file loads a local reference of our 3D model that is located in the project folder. As you can see, this model is successfully loaded in the browser. We want to update our main.js file to instead use the 3D model we uploaded to Pintheon. We copy the file link from the Pintheon interface, then paste the link replacing the local file reference. We save and go back to the browser to ensure our new model reference is loaded in the page. Our new model reference is now successfully loaded from Pintheon. Now that the page is functional, we must prepare the project so that it can be built into a single file. We will use Webpack to do this. First, we install these packages. Currently, our project files exist in the base folder of the project. To build with Webpack, we must reorganize our files, moving these files into a subfolder named src as shown. We also need to create a new file called webpack.config.js that looks like this. This file tells Webpack how to build our project. Lastly, this is how package.js should look. Now, in order for this site to work on both the Pintheon local file server, and when it's being shared through a tunnel, we will add a code change to main.js. We want to detect the browser domain, and if it's served on localhost, we construct a URL that includes the Pintheon port number. Otherwise, the URL uses the current browser host. Our project currently uses two files, main.js and index.html. We will build the project into a single file with the command npm run build. When the build completes, a single index.html file is generated that contains the JS code embedded into it. We will upload this new file to our Pintheon node. Now, if we copy the link to this file, open a new tab in the browser and paste the link, we can see we have a fully functional Three.js website. This site can now be served globally through a tunnel. The files for this project can be downloaded and used as a basis for your own project. It's extremely simple to deploy a Three.js site with Heavymeta Pintheon.